So in today's class, I am going to explain Python. In the previous class on Friday, we tried to understand the dictionary. Okay, this is the total. Where is the dictionary? I started from here up to this set. To this is set. And where is the dictionary? Dictionary. No duplicates. Print student. Up to this. Okay, from here. From here, dictionary, I have started from here. Okay, this much of topics I have covered. Okay, and the videos I have kept in our channel. You can get from there if anybody has missed the classes. Today, I'm going to brief you about this is the code ID I am using PyCharm. Okay, PyCharm code editor, IDE integrated development environment for Python. So today we will try to understand in dictionary how to change items. Change items, okay? How to change items to a dictionary. Change items in a dictionary. So let me, so which dictionary we have created? We have created a fruit dictionary. But where is that fruit dictionary? So we will create one more dictionary, that is what? Animal. Okay, animal dictionary is equal to always dictionary. The items will be enclosed in, declared in flower brackets. So here cat, animal, the text means string kept in double quotation marks. Then after it is a key, and that is to be added along with value. Value cat has color. Suppose yellow color, it is also text. So the text to be kept in as a string. So in Python, I told you that this is string can be either kept in double quotation marks or single quotation. Here, single quotation marks I have kept. Okay. So one key value pair declared. Next one more. Suppose as we have stated in the previous classes, dictionary items can be any type of. Okay, now this is one integer pair. Okay, integer is paired with this, but 187 is the key and 1988 is the value. So it becomes a pair, key value pair, integer to integer. So next one more pair, integer to float. So I told you that in previous classes, any data type can be, the items can be any data type. Here integer to integer, key and value. Here key, integer, it is a float, value is float. So how many items are there? 3 items. One is this, second item, third item. Okay. And then after, suppose if you assign a boolean to boolean, boolean value true is assigned with false. Now, how many values are there? If you try to get a printout, print animal, call the variable dictionary name. So whenever you call that, you will get the, so you will get what? You will get, this is your latest, this is your, all the dictionary items. Okay. As per cat, yellow, string to string, one pair, integer to integer, one pair. So the total, how many items? This is 1, 2, 3, 4 items. All have been displayed. Here I have used print function. Okay, then after, within this, I want to add a change any items, add any items. Huh? we can simply say that so change an items. Let us see. So if I want to change an item, I need to do what? Simply use the dictionary name. What is that? Animal. And square brackets within this by referring of a key name. Suppose cat. Cat. I want to cat is equal to 456. So now what happened here? Try to understand if I want to change this cat yellow as a 456. So my print animal, you request for updated list. So now run this code. What happened? Let us see. So now what happened? Now cat, it was paid with yellow. Now cat is amended with 456. So this is called change items in a dictionary by referring its key value, key name. Okay. So here what I did by referring a key name, I have assigned the new value. Okay, now whenever you request for whenever I request for updated list, so now cat is assigned with new value. Okay, that is called change items in a dictionary by referring its key name. Okay, now it is done. Next, update method. We can use the update method also. We can use update method to update dictionary items. Use update method to update dictionary items. Okay, dictionary items. Update method, we will use update method to update dictionary items. Let us see how can we use the update method. So simply you write that animal dot, once you use dot operator, you will get all that methods. Here we can use this update method. Click on this update. Here within this, if I want to, whatever I want to add, okay, I want to change whatever I want to change. Now cat is assigned with 456. For this, I want to change. I want to change this as 1000. Okay, now you write this here. Under this, in the flower braces, string type cat. Now, whatever the value you want to change, that is 1000. Now look, now request for print updated list, updated dictionary, print animal. Okay, let us see. Now run this code. Okay, so now 1000 is your 446 is updated with 1000. So we can change items in the dictionary by referring its key name, and also we can use the update method to update dictionary items. So next, we can remove items. We can remove items by remove method, otherwise pop method. Okay, we will use the pop method here. Pop method always having with the suffixing with brackets. Pop method. So pop method, by pop method, so removes item with key name. Removes item with key name. Okay. Remove item with the key name. See, let us see key name. Okay. So we can remove items by pop method. So let us see how the pop method will be used. So simply you write the syntax like your dictionary name animal dot. Once you use dot operator, we will get all that method. So use any one method, pop method. So pop method here, pop here, remove item by pop method, remove item with what key name. So here we need to use the key name. So key, suppose cat. If I want to use cat here, cat, so that cat pair will be removed. Let us see. Okay. And if I request for again updated dictionary print animal, then what happened? Try to understand that. Okay. So then what? Your cat key value pair removed only up to this. Okay. By pop method, we can remove by specific key name. Okay, here I have mentioned cat key. So that key and cat and its value assigned with that totally removed. Okay, next pop method. So pop item method removes randomly. Randomly. Okay, so you use pop item method. Method means brackets. Okay, removes an item randomly from dictionary. Okay, now come down. Pop item. So use animal dot pop item. Let us see pop item method is there. Here pop item method is here. So within this, if you within this know any parameter you need to mention here. So it will remove randomly. So request for prints animal. Animal is our dictionary name. Okay. So now what happened? Let us see. If you run this code, so it will give randomly. It has removed from this dictionary randomly this last, not randomly. It has removed last item. So pop item removes an item from from the last. We need to change the statement. Item removes an item from dictionary. Item which is at last. Which is at last from dictionary. Okay. So it has this last item was removed. And next. So next item, del keyword removes an item with a key name. So let us see del keyword. Del keyword